morning. What is happening? It's Saturday morning, about 9:30 now, and we've got a busy start going on with the day. So this beautiful black GTR is just getting it clean. This is the one that was in for a service yesterday. Unfortunately, just too busy to get on the vlog. But yeah, local customer owns this car, and quite rare for us. It's completely standard. It's still got all its cats in, still got the original air intakes. Don't even think it's been tuned at all. So it's a very nice car. So yeah, he's coming out to collect that later today. Very nice thing. I think black with silver wheels looks so nice. So yeah, Dale's giving that a nice clean today. Heading this way to the dyno. Got our first customer in for the dyno. So this this is Wayne and I think it's his son, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your name? Mackenzie. Mackenzie, yeah. So they brought their GTT down today, R34. We've never seen this car before. I'm going to carry out some power runs and see what power it's making. Very nice thing. I'll get some nice shots of that. But yeah, nice car. We've also got Jimmy in today. Jimmy is working on this M240i, which is in for Hunter wheel alignment and also a power run, so that'll be going on the dyno later on. But yeah, again, I don't think we've seen this car before. The customer tells me it's got an intake and a sports cat on it, and he just wants some base power figures before he starts to play with it. Not sure, I don't even think it's running a tune, to be honest. It's just got the hardware fitted. So Jimmy's just carrying out the alignment, and then it'll be on the dyno soon. Again, another nice car. Thank you for bringing it down. What I'll do now, I'll get the camera set up, get these power runs done on the GTT, and we'll see what power it makes. See you in a bit. Right then, how did that sound? So the GTT completed the power runs, spoke to the customer, giving him a little bit of advice. It is making, just turn this around because I need the mouse. Probably not be able to see the way the sun's bouncing in through the back of the unit. It's making 276 wheel horsepower. That puts it at around about 325 brake horsepower at the flywheel. He was hoping for a little bit more. Discussed a few different things. It may need a couple of additional sensors, and then we may potentially look at retuning this for him. It's on a Link ECU. So yeah, nice car, certainly sounds nice. So I'm going to get that unstrapped now. My other power run has turned up. I've got a Supra on next, and a customer here to collect that GTR, so very busy times. So I'll get some nice shots of this and then get it out and get on with the rest of the day. Right, on to the second power run of the day, and I've got Steve here, who's got a black Supra A90, is that right?
Yep.
And you just tell us it's got sports cat now,
yep,
and a stage 2 tune. Last time you were on was a stage 1?
It It was.
Yeah,
yep.
so it's been on before. We're going to pull up that data and see how much more power he's now made. Hopefully lots.
Yeah,
we've also got his friend Duke here. Duke's got his beautiful white Supra as well. Bit of a Supra kind of, I'll just call him an influencer, because I keep saying a lot of stories and it's a lot of, you know, like, you love your Supra, don't you?
You're completely lovely, yeah.
It seems to get a lot of good reactions as well. You've been to some shows and...
Yeah, well, obviously show season now as well, so it's out every weekend at something.
Yeah, no, it's a very nice car, so I'll get some shots of that, and we'll then get Steve's footage on the dyno as well. So that sounds like, so that's the car. Gold wheels, are they making a comeback? I think it certainly suits it. I'll get some nice shots and you can see that one as well in the sun. What power it made. Come and have a look. Do you want to come this way, Steve, and we'll have a look? So, yeah, can we just make sure the brakes are not on? I'll give you a hand on strapping it. Brakes on. Cool. So, we've got his graph from before, which is the red line on the screen. It's definitely got improvements there. You can see there's some gains. Yeah. So it's now making, the best run it did was 368 wheel horsepower. 368 wheel horsepower is approximately the 4.20, divide that by 0.85, so around about 433 wheel horsepower.
Good stuff.
Happy with that?
Yeah, yeah.
Good, mate, that's what we like. Happy customers. Yeah, it's always worthwhile. Like you see, Steve came in, did a kind of a base run, which is the red one, which was all on a stage 1 tune. So now he's done his mods, done an OTS map, and come back again to prove the results. So yeah, happy days, mate.
Good stuff.
So happy with that. Boost pipe stayed on because last time Steve came as well, they blew a boost pipe off on one of his last runs. So yeah, so that's good. So yeah, we'll get it unstrapped. Very nice car, mate.
Yep,
Got to be happy with that, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah.
Awesome.
As well. Yeah.
So Jimmy approves, yeah.
Jimmy approved.
Yeah, nice. Awesome. Let's get it off and we'll get the next car on. Just coming down.
Yep. See you next time.
See you next time for more mods, yeah? More power. Good. That's what I like to hear. Okay, so Supra off the dyno and now onto Jake's M240i. In for a power run after having his hand wheel alignment done. So I'll get some footage of this and we'll see what power this one makes. power run all done. Struggled for traction on the first run. Once we've opened the tyres up, cleaned them off, put the power down nicely. So the little M240i, like I say, it has got a sports cat on it, it has an intake on it, but it does not have any tune on it, so it's still on a stock tune. It's making 321 wheel horsepower, which works out at approximately, let's let this down, 321, try and let this out, 321 divided by 0.85, so it works out around about 377 brake horsepower at the flywheel, which is very impressive. I think it's about 335 stock factory figures, so them bolt-on mods definitely helping the breathing, making some more power. He's got a decision to make now. He's talking about tuning the car, so we'll see what we can get out of it with them mods and a tune on it. So yeah, might see it again soon on the dyno. I'll get unstrapped again. Jimmy's on with a lovely BMW M2 for a Hunter wheel alignment, so I'll get some footage of that. Get on with the rest of this busy day. This is Ross's beautiful M2 that I was mentioning. I believe Ross had some lowering springs fitted, and is taking advantage of our brand new Hunter wheel alignment system, which Jimmy's just doing for him now. Jimmy, we were just commenting on how nice it is underneath his car.
It's a proper M car.
Proper M car, everything's adjustable. We're going to get it driving really nice, aren't we? So,
it's just right.
Yeah.
How a car should be.
It is. How a car should be. So well done BMW. We like this. Beautiful looking thing. And let's say, should be driving very nice and straight once it's all aligned. So thanks Ross for bringing it down. Ross is friends with Andy with the green Focus RS as well, which makes a lot of power on Cybex. So he recommended him after having his aligned, I think it was last week when he was in. So yeah, very nice car, taking advantage of the Hunter wheel alignment. If you want to get booked in, drop me a message, chris@jmimports.co.uk on the email, or social media messages, and we'll pick it up and get you sorted. Right, to the end of another busy Saturday. It has been a very busy one, and I'm joined by Caroline. Caroline's come to collect her R8.
Back again.
Back again?
Yeah.
You had a little bit of a mishap once you got the car back. Accidentally left it in pops and bangs a wee bit too long. Got things very, very hot now.
Got carried away.
When Caroline said there'd been a bit of smoke and a little bit of a fire, I think, with Michael Shoeblack, our MSB. First thoughts and first fears was, we did mention when Caroline collected the car, on the R8s, they don't have a proper tailpipe. It fires out into a trim in the bumper like a lot of modern cars. And obviously my first thought was the fire could be in that area. Fortunately, Caroline reacted very quickly with Michael and put the fire out, and when she actually showed her what was what, she was telling us it was in this area up here, which is all stock Audi. It's nothing to do with the turbo kit. The turbo kit's all much further back in the engine bay. And what it turns out has happened is, because it's been so hot with the pops and bangs, a factory Audi plastic breather pipe, which goes to the top of the oil tank, had melted and just dropped down onto the manifold and just give off a little bit of smoke. So I think it's probably, obviously, give her a bit of a fright. Probably looked worse than it actually was, but the good news is, you had some good reactions.
Yeah, we did.
You and Michael have sorted it out.
Yeah.
But, you know, got the fire out and the car's fine. So that's the main thing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
A plastic Audi pipe being replaced and job's good. We're not going to let Caroline leave it in pops and bangs so long. So it's all good. It's all good. So she's here. The car's looking beautiful. It's a nice sunny day. You've brought the weather with you.
Yeah.
I'm just going to sort out the last few things, give you the keys back and get the car back here.
Yeah.
So yeah, thanks for coming down.
Yeah.
Look forward to seeing what content you make with it. We'll see you again soon. Cheers guys, see you later. Bye bye.
So that is all for today guys. I hope you like the videos we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share, comment, good, bad. Okay.